Apple macOS Ventura public beta is available now. So now any developer accounts not required to download it. If you are using a compatible Mac for macOS Ventura, you can install it before release this fall. Today we will see how to download and making bootable USB for macOS Ventura. Before going to next step, please subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Let's go. Open Safari, then go to beta.apple.com. If you don't have Apple ID, then sign up, or already you have, then sign in. Then click enroll your device. Download macOS public beta access utility. Allow. Then double click on it. Whenever you are trying to install Beta OS, always do backup over the time machine. It helps to revert back in case of installation failure. But here we are only making bootable, so time machine backup is not required. Continue installation. Wait for some moments. Now upgrade new. Let's complete the download in Beta OS. It will open beta installation window when download is completed. I do not want to install now, so close the installation window. Now insert a blank USB drive with minimum storage 16 GB. Format it with macOS journal from disk utility. Now open terminal and type this command from video description. Space, drag your flash drive to terminal window. Then return. Enter password and hit return. Press Y and return. Now this command is making bootable macOS to your flash drive. Please wait for some moment. After long time you can see it is completed and bootable flash drive is created now. To install Beta OS from USB drive, turn off your Mac. Then press and hold Option key. Then turn on your Mac again to get booting option for Intel Mac. For Silicon Mac, press and hold power button until you see the booting option. To remove your Mac from beta software enrollment, go to System Preferences, Software Update, Details, then Restore Default. Type password. That's all. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.